Hi guys, welcome to ITRXpert again.
In this video of the ITRXCEL course, we will cover functionalities that can optimize spreadsheets and our productivity in Excel.
In this exercise, we will complete different tasks. We will customize the quick access toolbar, then we'll use the freeze panes function, apply a filter to perform database searches and data extraction. Also, we will merge cells, create a list using data validation, and apply sheet setting for effective printing. Let's start. In this task, we will personalize the quick access toolbar to increase our productivity. In part 1, we will add options that are already preset by default, however they have not been added yet. Usually the quick access toolbar is located in the top left-hand corner of the Excel screen, above the File tab. To improve productivity, we want to show it below the ribbon. Right-click in the quick access toolbar drop-down and select Show Below the Ribbon. Now we will add to option already available. Right-click on the quick access toolbar drop-down and add the following commands by tick them from the list available. New, Open, Email, Quick Print, Print Preview and Print. Good job! In the second part we'll add commands not in the list. Right-click the quick access toolbar drop-down again and choose More Commands. Excel will open the Options menu, which is also available from the File tab menu, showing all its section on the left with the quick access toolbar selected. In the middle section there is the list with all the Excel commands. To select a command, we need to click on it and press the button Add, and it will go on the right section, which show all commands added to the quick access toolbar. In this task, we need to find and add Save As, then Forms. It is best practice to select all commands, to have full access to them. Once done, press OK, and they will appear in the quick access toolbar. In the third part, we'll reorganize the quick access toolbar grouping the commands. Right-click again to the drop-down and select More Commands. Remember, the right section shows the commands in the same order as shown in the quick access toolbar. To reorganize them, we need to use the up and down arrows on the right. From the middle section, you can also add separators between each group by pressing Add. Personally, I decided to move printing commands in the second group and email and forms in the third, with 2 separators. Stop the video and work on it. Use the up and down arrows, organize the commands as you like, and add the separators between groups. It will definitely improve your productivity in Excel. There you go. My quick access toolbar is ready. By positioning and holding the cursor underneath each icon, Excel will show the name of the command. Now we'll try the freeze panes function in Excel, which is a powerful feature designed to enhance your ability to navigate and analyze large spreadsheets. When working with extensive data, scrolling through rows and columns can cause your headers or key information to disappear from view, making it challenging to keep track of your data's context. This function addresses this issue by allowing you to lock specific rows or columns in place. This means that as you scroll through your spreadsheet, the frozen rows or columns remain visible, ensuring that your headers, labels, or any critical information stays in view. This feature is particularly useful when dealing with large datasets, multi-page reports, or complex tables where constant reference to specific rows or columns is necessary. Let's start. To ensure that the header row and the first 2 columns of your table are always visible while scrolling, follow these steps. Click on cell D5. This is because you want to freeze everything above this row, i.e., the header row in row 4, and to the left of this column, i.e., columns B and C. Go to the View tab on the Excel ribbon. In the View tab, locate the Freeze Panes drop-down menu. Click on it to reveal a few options. Choose Freeze Panes from the drop-down. This will freeze both the rows above your selected cell, rows 1 to 4, and the columns to the left of your selected cell, columns B and C. Now, as you scroll down or across your spreadsheet, row 4, your header row, and columns B and C will remain visible at all times, ensuring that you can always see your table headers and the first 2 columns, no matter where you are in the table. Next, the filter function in Excel is an essential tool for managing and analyzing large datasets efficiently. This feature allows you to quickly narrow down your data by displaying only the rows that meet specific criteria, making it easier to focus on the information that matters most. By applying filters, you can sort, organize, and extract subsets of your data without altering the original dataset. This function is particularly useful when working with lists, tables, or databases, where you may need to isolate certain records based on conditions such as text values, numbers, dates, or even custom conditions. Whether you're looking to analyze sales figures for a particular region, identify products within a certain price range, or simply organize your data for better readability, it provides a straightforward and effective way to manage complex information. Let's start. Select from cells B4 to BX4. This range represents your header row, which contains the column labels for your data. Go to either to the Home ribbon menu or in the Data tab, locate the Filter button from the Sort and Filter drop-down. Click on it. Once you do this, small drop-down arrows will appear next to each column header within the selected range. Filters are now applied to your table. You can click the drop-down arrows in any column to sort the data or select specific criteria to filter the rows displayed. This makes it easy to focus on particular subsets of data, filtering by dates, text, numbers, or any other specific conditions. We'll try the filter now. We will go in the City column and use the filter to show only data from Portland. We untick Select All and look for Portland. Once ticked, we press OK. We have only data from Portland. Click on B4, hold down the Control and Shift keys and tap once the right arrow, then the down arrow. Right-click, copy, and Excel will select the whole table for you. Then go to E3, tab, select A1 and paste. Now we have the filtered table in tab E3B. Filtered data can be copied or used to create focus charts and pivot tables. The advanced filter options also allow you to filter out unique values or set complex criteria, but also to clear the filter, so you will see the whole table again. Let's recap now. With the filter we can sort data in ascending or descending order, both as text or numbers, also filter data by specific criteria, such as containing certain text, numbers, dates, or column. When applying the filter we need to consider the following factors. All table columns should be included in the filter. Also, to preserve the original order of the cells, we should have a column with the order's number. When these two conditions are not met, the database integrity will be compromised, causing permanent damages, where the undoing actions is the only hope to repristinate the original database. However, this solution is not always available. Next, the Merge Cells feature in Excel is a handy tool that allows you to combine two or more cells into a single, larger cell. This functionality is particularly useful for formatting and presenting data in a more organized and visually appealing manner. By merging cells, you can create a unified header across multiple columns, center a title over a range of cells, or combine cells for better layout control in your worksheets. When cells are merged, the content from the upper left cell is retained, while other cells in the selected range are emptied. This feature helps to streamline data presentation and improve the readability of spreadsheets, making it easier to manage and understand complex information. Let's complete the task. Select from cell B5 to H5, go to the Home menu, select Merge and Center from the Merge icon in the Alignment section. This command merged 7 cells and centered the text. Now select from cell B14 to H14, go to the Home menu. Select Merge and Center from the Merge icon in the Alignment section. There you go. Let's recap. Whether you're preparing reports, designing forms, or simply organizing your data, merging cells can enhance the structure and aesthetics of your Excel documents. However, let's keep in mind there are some minor issues when merging cells. We covered this topic already, so I would suggest to watch again the video's tips for Excel common issues to refresh your knowledge. Next, data validation lists in Excel are a useful feature that helps ensure data accuracy and consistency within your spreadsheets. By creating a drop-down list of predefined options in a cell, data validation lists allow users to select from a set of choices rather than entering data manually. This not only reduces the risk of errors, such as typos or invalid entries, but also streamlines data entry, making it more efficient. Let's complete the task. We want to add a list in cell B7 and apply it to all column B. Select cell B7, go to the Data ribbon menu, select the Data Validation drop-down, click on Data Validation. In the Allow drop-down, select Lists. Inside the source box, select from cell J6 to J15, which is the list, and press OK. Then select cell B7 and drag down the fill handle to apply the list to all cells. There you go. Also, data validation not only creates drop-down lists with predefined options, but allows us to control the type of data entered into a cell, ensuring it meets specific criteria. We can restrict entries to certain types, such as numbers, dates, text, or set custom rules using formulas. Data validation makes data entry more reliable and efficient, improving consistency and helping prevent errors by only allowing valid data. Also, it can display messages to guide users during data entry, set warnings, or block invalid entries altogether. Watch the videos Tips for Excel Common Issues to expand your knowledge about data validation. Next, print settings in Excel are crucial for preparing your spreadsheet data for physical or digital printing. This feature allows you to customize how your worksheets will appear on paper, ensuring that your data is presented clearly and professionally. With print settings, you can control aspects such as page orientation, portrait or landscape, margins, scaling to fit content on a single page, and whether to print grid lines or headers. Additionally, Excel's print settings enable you to set print areas, preview your document before printing, and manage page breaks. These options help ensure that your printed documents are well organized, easy to read, and aligned with your presentation needs. Let's start. Printing large spreadsheet like this can be quite tricky, as we want to include all information inside the printout. First, we will select the area that we want to print, here in the red box, from cell B4 to J50, then we go to the Page Layout ribbon, we select Print Area, then set Print Area. From the Page Layout tab, we also want to change the margins as narrow, set the orientation as landscape, and make sure the page size is A4. Finally, we go to the File tab menu and select Print, then Page Setting. From the Page tab, we will select Fit to one page. From the Margins tab, we want to center the page both vertically and horizontally. From the Header Footer tab, we want to add any information in header and footer using custom or available options. We will not use the Sheet tab this time, but it would be useful if a table is spread over few pages, as we can set the row of our heading and any column with key information to appear in all the printed pages, using the Print Tile settings. You can also resize the column to maximize the page, and then you are ready to print. You can select Print as PDF and submit this page with the spreadsheet. Choose a location on the PC and enter the name for the file. Great! Well done, and keep up with the good work. Follow us for more and write in the comment if you have any requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.